Welcome to Cooking with Sloane at Home. Today we're going to make, well, we're not really at home. We are in Hawaii on vacation, and I'll be cooking with my grandpa. Today we'll be making a Lilikoi Cheesecake, but first we need to make the crust. So we add butter and brown sugar, and then mix it up real good. You want to mix it until it all looks like it's the same color. To mix for flavor, we're going to grind up some Cheerios. To the bowl with some flour and mix it all up. You need to mix it up until it's all crumbly and all the big crumbs turn into little crumbs. You're going to put half of it into a pan.
Smooth it out.
And shake it up again and smooth it out.
We take this glass and we push it down, and just turn it a little bit. You can push down fairly hard.
Never saw nothing. Now this is time to go in the oven. And we're going to slip it in. Lilikoi is also passion fruit. And now we're going to separate 5 egg yolks. Because your hands dirty, you're gonna wash your hands. And you're gonna dump 2 big blocks of cream cheese and a half a cup of sugar. And the egg yolks. Then a half a cup of sugar. And a bowl of your cream cheese. Then we take a tablespoon of gelatin. And then you take 4 tablespoons of ice water. The reason we use ice water is for the gelatin to not clump up. Until it dissolves. boiler and mix it up. Then you keep mixing it now till the temperature reaches 180 degrees. When you mix it, it should turn from a darker yellow to a lighter yellow and get a little bit thicker. Now we're up to 178. Pour the gelatin in.
Keep mixing.
Still keep mixing. Then we're gonna add 4 big tablespoons of Lilikoi puree.
I'll hold this up for you. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put 1 in for good measure. Okay. Then you just clean that spoon off.
He's gonna dump it in since it's too hot for me. And dump. This is the egg yolks. Mixed it up.
Scoop it out, slide it out.
It does not like me. And then you use the arm mixer to mix the whipped cream and egg together. Take hot crust and you fill it up. Sweet. I'm gonna stick it in the fridge for at least an hour.
Perfect.
And here's the doggy. Now we're gonna make the glaze for the Lilikoi Cheesecake. First, you're gonna put 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of mix it all together. Then you're gonna dump it into a pot. So then you're gonna need 1/3 of a cup of Lilikoi puree. It's more. And then a cup of water. It overflows, so it's like a volcano. Together. Then we need to cook it.
How long do you
until
cook
it boils. As you're watching, it will turn from a orangey color to a darker brown, almost clear color. Now we have to glaze the cake.
Pretty quickly. Okay, good.
And that's how you make a Lilikoi cheesecake. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Sloane at Home. Aloha!
This is the best cheesecake I've ever had, I think.